Welcome back to the Marketing Software channel. Do you want to post in bulk on your personal Facebook profile without wasting time? Rock it. Today, I'll introduce you to a powerful tool that allows you to automatically post to multiple Facebook accounts efficiently. Let's explore Bot Auto Post Facebook Profile in Bulk 2025. Bot Auto Post Facebook is software that helps you post to multiple Facebook personal accounts at once, maximizing your time savings. Key features: White heavy checkmark automatically post to multiple Facebook profiles. White heavy checkmark support various content types, text, images, videos. White heavy checkmark flexible scheduling for automated posting. White heavy checkmark bypass checkpoints and operate safely. This is an essential tool for marketers, online sellers, and Facebook seeding campaigns. Want to try this tool now? Backhand index pointing. Right-click the link in the description to sign up for a free trial. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to stay updated on the latest marketing tools. See you in the next video.